Hey everyone, Martin here. Today, this is the review of the Gigaware K550 mechanical keyboard. The Gigaware K550 is a good budget 10 keyless compact and hot swappable mechanical keyboard for those looking to enter the world of mechanical keyboards. I bought this keyboard for 685 pesos, which is pretty cheap, not including the shipping. You can pick with the three mechanical switches available, red, blue, and brown switches. I have here the Otemo brown versions which are completely stock and they sound okay. It is also hot swappable, meaning if you don't like the current switches, you can replace it in the future. Important note, if you're planning to buy this keyboard, mind that only the red and brown switches supports hot swapping. The keycaps are double shot keycaps. I'm not sure what the material is. I'm not a mechanical keyboard expert, but they feel okay and you can replace it for personalization and stuff like that. The build quality is all plastic, but for the price, it's good enough. You can choose with the 10 different lighting mode it offers. Mind you, it doesn't feature per key or GB, but for the price, it's good enough. You can also lock the Windows key by pressing FN or function plus Windows key and unlocking it by doing it again. It also features shortcut keys like me opening your music player, adjusting the volume, media controls, play, pause, next, and previous tracks, opening your email app, oh that's weird, opening the browser, file explorer, and the calculator by pressing function through F1 and 12. This is the sound of the Gigaware K550 mechanical keyboard with the stock brown switches unfoamed and the stock stabilizers. Jesus. This is the sound test of the Gigaware K550 mechanical keyboard. Stock switches unfoamed on Band-Aid. Stock stabilizers, just complete bone stock. This is the sound of it. The lighting modes, it's pretty basic for this keyboard. I just choose the static on light, but it's good. Yeah, the lights are pretty bright. You can change the brightness, the speed, and that's it. Speed and brightness of some lighting modes. And I don't mind it, but I hope it comes with in the future keyboard revision of this, it comes just plain white, because that would look pretty sick. I'm gonna be honest with you, it would look pretty sick with just all white, and just pick the color you want and mod it however you like. Upcoming mods to the keyboard, I'm actually planning to mod this keyboard. I'm gonna put foam, or hopefully packing foam, not the thick one. Hopefully I could get one of those. And I'm going to lube the switches. I'm going to do the Band-Aid mod. The Band-Aid mod was suggested to me by Cavite Tech or John Villanueva. Shout out to you, my boy. I'm gonna do it in the future when I'm not that lazy anymore. Anyways, final thoughts. Yeah, final thoughts of the keyboard. For 685 pesos, you're getting you're getting a damn good deal for this. You get hot swappable switches, 10 keyless. It sounds okay stock, but if you just put the foam mod in, because I actually put the mod foam. It sounds good, especially with the brown switches. I'm not sure with the red switches, but the blue switches, I'm not a clicky person, but I have my friend, Blood Orange, uh, has the blue switches, and it sounded pretty loud. I'm not a fan of clicky switches, but they're okay. Okay, first, yeah, that's it. 685 pesos, damn good keyboard, all plastic build quality, RGB, hot swappable. What more could you ask for? So this is the review of the Gigaware K550 mechanical. This is a review of the K550 mechanical keyboard. I hope you enjoy, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.